Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hey, this is Larry Goins, and welcome back to this week's REI Classroom. I'm your host, and today we're going to be talking about funding your deals when you have no money.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by UglyOpportunities.com.
Now, the first thing I want to talk about is assignments. Assignments are the fastest, simplest, easiest way to be able to buy and sell a property without any money. In fact, with assignments, you're not really selling houses. You are selling the paperwork. You're selling the contract. And really, all you have to do whenever you're buying the property and you get the property under contract in your name, you just put your name and the word and or assigns. That's all you really need to do. Now, we'll let you know this. Sometimes it can be difficult to do this with a listed property. You can't assign a HUD house, and typically you cannot assign a listed property that's on the MLS or a bank-owned type property, okay? This is going to work with your individual properties that you're buying from single owners, okay? Not properties listed on the MLS. Now, the second thing you can do to be able to buy and sell a property without any money, funding a deal without any money, is using options. Options give you the right, but not the obligation to buy a property, okay? That's very, very important. Like, I might give you $100 for the option to buy your property for $50,000 for the next 90 days. Now I have 90 days to sell your property. If I cannot get it sold, then my option simply expires, okay? And I lose my $100. If I do get the property sold for, say, $60,000, where I have a $10,000 spread, then all I need to do is exercise my option, and then I buy it at 50 and I sell it at 60 at the same closing table, and I do what's called a simultaneous transaction, okay? And we'll talk about that on one of the next classes as well. So, some other things that you can do to fund your deals with no money is private money. Private money is anybody who has money and they're not getting a good return on it. You can find them anywhere. Friends, neighbors, relatives, anybody. Another thing is self-directed retirement accounts. That's very, very important. Look up trustees or custodians that do self-directed retirement accounts like Equity Trust, trustetc.com, Camaplan, camaplan.com, questira.com, kingdomtrust.com. You can look up these different custodians at the county recorder's office and find out individual investors who have these accounts that are buying properties in that name, because it'll say something like Equity Trust, FBO, and then the buyer's name or the owner's name, and that's the way they're titled. The next thing is unsecured business lines of credit, okay? You can go to sites like prosper.com, lendingclub.com, which are also known as like crowdfunding sites. Prosper.com, lendingclub.com. There's a lot of them out there. You can even Google search crowdfunding or micro lending sites as well. Also, hard money lenders are a great way to be able to fund your deals. A typical hard money lender, they're loaning based on the asset, or it's an asset-based loan and not a credit-based loan. So it's based on the property itself. And a couple more that I want to share with you is business partnerships. Find somebody who has money, you have the expertise, and you go out and do a deal together. They put up the money and you do all the work. Next is a cash partner, and you could either pay them an interest rate or a percentage of the deal. And what about a credit partner? Somebody who has access to credit, whether it be a credit card or a line of credit or a home equity line, and then you go out and do all the work. So that's a lot of different ways that you can use to fund a deal when you have no money. I'm Larry Goins, and thanks a lot for watching.
Homevestors, the We Buy Ugly Houses folks, is a franchise system of hundreds of real estate investors that have purchased over 65,000 houses. If you'd like to learn more about the most powerful real estate investing system in existence, whether you're a pro looking to take your business to the next level, or whether you have no experience at all but a burning passion to be successful in real estate investing, please visit flipnerd.com/ugly to learn more. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of flipnerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of flipnerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at flipnerd.com. Please check out the Flipnerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at flipnerd.com/shows, or simply search for Flipnerd in the iTunes Store.